Welcome back. Jake Simons here. Today we're going to be doing some troubleshooting on some pretty common issues that we see across the robotics realm. Today specifically, we're going to tackle a pretty simple one: how to pair a controller to your brain. Now, especially with these Gen 2 electronics, it can be kind of tricky. They have directions, step-by-step directions in the VEX robotics library, but I found myself personally that they were kind of confusing, especially when you got to the actual physical part of pairing them. And so we're going to do a quick video. It's very, very simple, but you have to follow these steps.
All right, the very first step is turn your brain on, and you are going to go down arrow 3 times to 3 to where it says settings. Click the check button. You're going to go down one more to where it says link. Click the check button, and you'll notice that this light right here, as soon as you click the check button, this light's going to turn yellow. That means it is ready to be received, and it gives you the instructions on the screen. But again, maybe it's just me, but I had a really difficult time figuring that out. So I'm going to show you really quick how to do this. So go ahead and turn on your controller, and it'll be solid green. You're going to hold down L up and L down at the same exact time. Hold them down, and as you're holding them down, you're going to double click the power button right here pretty quickly. 1, 2. And now it is yellow. You can see that it's yellow and flashing green. And over here, you should see that it is also flashing green. And you should be able to see a controller paired at the top.